Welcome to our prep department. This is where we take your vehicle after it has been repaired in the body or metal department to a stage where it can get painted and refinished. In this stage here, we have to take the car and sand the panels and prime them in order to be ready to be painted so that the paint adheres to your vehicle correctly. The first step is to sand down the panels around the area where the damage occurred. This is step 2 in our prep process. This is where we use a minimal amount of body materials in order to smooth out the metal repair that was done to your vehicle. As you can see here, this fender was repaired and now some body materials have been applied in order to smoothen out the damaged area. Step 3 is applying primer. This is step 4 of the process. As you can see here, we will be painting the fender and door of the vehicle to ensure that the color matches the rest of the vehicle.